Hello students, this is Dhana Kumar. Now I am going to discuss about quadratic equations and sequence and series. Okay, both are important concepts in JEE point of view. From complex numbers and quadratic equations, we can expect 100% one question, and from sequence and series, one question we can expect. Okay, if you observe that previous year's papers from sequence and series, almost they are asking one question from this topic. Clear? Now let us coming to one by one. First question, you observe this one, quadratic equations. After discussing few questions from quadratic, let us see few questions from sequence and series also. Okay, right. Let us coming to first quadratic equations concepts. Now see here, Ramesh has X children by his first wife, and Rani has X plus 1 children by her first husband. Okay, let us say some funny question. Ramesh has X children by his first wife. Okay, and Rani has X plus 1 children by her first husband. Okay, they marry and have children of their own. Okay, how many members are there, that we don't know. Let us see. Then whole family has 24 children. Whole family has 24 children. Assuming that the children of the same parents do not fight. Assuming that the children of the same parents do not fight. Right? Find the maximum possible number of fights that can take place. Okay, question understood? Here you see, Ramesh has X children by his first wife. Okay, and Rani has X plus 1 children by her first husband. After that they marry and have children of their own. Then whole family, total family has how many children? 24. Whole family, before marriage and after this marriage. Here before, here Ramesh and Rani both marry and have some children, but we don't know that number of children. But here condition is what? Whole family has 24 children. And what about that condition here? Assuming that the children of the same parents do not fight. Children of the same parents do not fight. Okay, find here question, calculate what? Maximum possible number of fights. Maximum possible number of fights you have to identify. Okay, right. Now let us coming to here. They marry and have children of their own. I am assuming that number of children is equal to y. Okay, okay, here I am writing, let something p. Let p be the number of children after marriage. After marriage. Fine. Okay, here condition, you observe this one. Whole family has how many members? Whole family has 24 children. Fine. That implies, just you see here, Ramesh has how many children by his first wife? X children. Fine. Rani has how many children by her first husband? X plus 1. After marriage, how many children? Here our assumption, some p. Okay, p. So total number of children is equal to what? 24. Now simplification. x plus x 2x plus p is equal to plus 1, shift this side, 24 minus 1, 23 implies p is equal to what? 23 minus 2x. 23 minus 2x. Okay. Now let us see next slide. See, for our convenience, 3 parts I am dividing. Okay. First part, Ramesh has how many children by his first wife? X plus 1. Rani, x plus 1. After marriage, how many children? P. P means what? Here we got 23 minus 2x. Okay. What about our question? Assuming that, here important point, children of the same parents do not fight. Okay. Find the maximum possible number of fights. Means here total 3 groups. First group they will fight with second group as well as third. Similarly, second group they will fight with third group. But not X children internally they will never fight. Clear my point? Okay. So maximum number of fights. Okay. Let us say I am assuming some function f of x is equal to f of x means I am assuming number of fights. Total number of fights. Okay. First group children they will fight with second group. So here condition will be how many fights here? X into x plus 1. Fine. X into x plus 1 plus next first group with third group. So x into 23 minus 2x. Next second group with third group, that is x plus 1 into 23 minus 2x. Clear? Right. Now here calculate what? Maximum of f of x. That is our question. So you can use maxima minima, differentiation, application of derivatives, maxima minima concept is there. Using that concept also we can find out. Okay. Let us see, before applying maxima minima or quadratic concepts, whatever it may be, first you simplify f of x. Fine. So f of x is equal to x into x plus 1. Here observe this one. Here common term is what? 23 minus 2x common. Fine. 23 minus 2x common. Remaining is what here? X. Here remaining is x. Here remaining is x plus 1. Okay. Now that is equal to x into x plus 1 plus 23 minus 2x into, here simplification, x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 1. So that is equal to, now simplify this one, x into x, x square, x into 1, x plus, here expand this bracket, 23 into 2x. 23 into 2 is what? How much? 46. Okay, 46x. 23 into 1, 23 minus 2x into minus 2x, minus 4x square, minus 2x into 1, minus 2x. Clear? So that is equal to, one order I am writing, x square minus 4x square. Answer how much? X square minus 4x square is minus 3x square. Okay. Next, x plus 46x. 46 plus 1, 47. 47 minus 2, how much? 45. So plus 45x. Next constant is what? 23. This is the actual function. Total number of fights is equal to f of x. F of x is equal to this. Okay. So according to quadratic concept, here x square coefficient negative. X square coefficient negative means function has maximum or minima? Maximum. Any our question also calculate what? Maximum only. Fine. So here two methods. What are the two methods? One is using derivative concept. Second one using completing the square concept. Anyhow, our topic quadratic. Okay, fine. I am solving this question using completing the square concept. Okay. So f of x is equal to, first of all, before using completing the square, first you cross check it. X square coefficient how much? Minus 3. So take minus 3 common. Minus 3 common. Remaining is what? X square. Okay. Minus 15x. Minus 23 by 3. Fine. Okay. Put it in one bracket. So that is equal to what? Minus 3 times, here completing the square method, x. Next you write x coefficient by 2, including the same, including the sign. So x coefficient by 2 how much? Minus 15 by 2 whole square. Next always write minus, and this constant whole square right here. 15 by 2 whole square. How much? 225 by 4. And remaining constant as it is. Minus 23 by 3. Okay. This function has maximum. Maximum exists at what value? Put this bracket equal to 0. Put x minus 15 by 2 equal to 0. Then x is equal to what? 15 by 2. That is equal to how much? Some 7.5. So maximum exists at x is equal to 7.5. But actually in this particular question, x means what? Number of children. Correct or not? But number of children means we can say that 7 people, 8 people, 20 people. But not like 7.5, 7.3 children. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. So therefore, x is equal to, I am taking some next number is what? 8. X is equal to 8. Right. So actual question what? Calculate maximum number of 5. So you find out f of 8. Find out what? F of 8. That is our question. So f of x is equal to what? This box. Correct now? F of 8 means what? Here put f of 8 means put x is equal to 8. So minus 3 into 8 square, that is 64. Okay. Next 45 into 8. 45 into 8. And next 23 plus 23. Okay. Simplify this one. Here 64 into 3 minus 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 192 plus 8 4s are 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36, 360 plus 23. So that is equal to how much? Minus 192. Add these two. 3, 60 plus 23, 83. Okay. So 383 minus 192. 3 minus 2, 1. 18 minus 9. 9 and 2 minus 1, 1. So that is equal to 191. Now you check it. Maximum number of fights that can takes place is equal to third option, 191 answer. Clear? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. If exactly one root of the quadratic equation lies in the interval 0, 3, then find A. Okay. Exactly one root of this equation. Fine. Here x square coefficient positive or not? Right. X square coefficient positive. So generally quadratic expression represents what? Parabola. So here x square coefficient positive. So positive means upward parabola. Fine. Okay. Let us say diagram will be like this. So this curve intersect x-axis at one point and here one more point, 2 points means 2 roots. Fine. Here what about our question? Exactly one root lies in the interval 0, 3. Okay. Let us say, for example, I am assuming like this. Suppose if this root lie between 0 and 3. If you want, you can take this also, but final condition will be same. Okay. Right. I am assuming this left hand side part some f of x. Left hand side part I am assuming f of x. Then what about f of 0? Positive. What about f of 3? This is negative because this intersection lies above x-axis. Above x-axis means positive. This intersection lies below x-axis, so negative. So conclusion, positive into negative, negative. So f of 0 into f of 3. Positive into negative is negative. So product less than 0. This is the condition behind this question. Okay. Now simple after this, f of 0. F of x is equal to this one. F of 0 means what? Put x equal to 0. Understood? Right. So put x equal to 0. 0. 0 into something 0. Remaining is 2a. Okay. 2a into f of 3. F of 3 means put x is equal to 3. 3 square 9. 3 square is 9 minus a plus 1 into 3, that is 3 times a plus 1 plus 2a, which is less than 0. Understood? Right. To shift this side, so 0 by something is 0. So remaining a into, here simplification, 9, expand this bracket, minus 3a, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 2a, which is less than 0. That implies a into minus 3a plus 2a. How much? Minus a. 9 minus 3 plus 6, which is less than 0. Okay. Next, how to find a here? Right. Quadratic inequality. So how to solve? By using Wavy-Curve method. Okay. Let us see next slide. A into, once and I am writing given inequality, a into 6 minus a is less than 0. Okay. So Wavy-Curve method. First bracket equal to 0. So a value anyhow 0. Second bracket 6. Fine. Now symbol starts with what? Here positive, here negative. Plus into minus, minus. So starts with minus. Minus alternate signs. Plus, minus. Okay. Less, here inequality is what? Less than 0. Less than 0 means negative or positive? Negative. So negative for what? This area and this area. So that is a less than 0, comma a greater than 6. Fine. But in options you see, okay, here closed 0, closed 6, open 6 also is there. But here there is no equality. Few students blindly they will mark first option, but that is wrong. Why? Because just you see here, now you observe this one. Suppose if a is equal to 0, what will happen? You cross check it. Okay. Now f of x is this one. See, I'm writing this question. Equation x square minus of a plus 1 into x. Next plus 2a. Fine. Equal to 0. This is our question. Okay. Now while after finding this one, don't blindly mark first option is correct. Why? Because here at 0 and 6 closed open intervals are there. Equal to 0 satisfies or not, cross check it. At the same time 6 also. Fine. Okay. If a is equal to 0, what will happen? You see. If a is equal to 0, then x square minus a equal to 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So minus x. Here 0. Implies x is equal to what? 0 comma 1. Actual our question, you observe this one. Exactly one root lies in this interval. Correct now? Now here you observe this one. 1 belongs to 0 comma 3. Is it correct or not? Right. So a is equal to 0 satisfies. Okay. In the same way, a is equal to 6, you cross check it. If a is equal to 6, then what will happen? You see, x square minus 6 plus 1, 7x, 2 6 are 12. So quadratic equation roots here. Product 12, sum 7. Possibility will be 3 4s are 12. 3 plus 4, 7. So here 3 comma 4. But these two values does not belongs to 0 comma 3. So 6 fails here. Okay. Therefore, conclusion, a belongs to what? A less than 0. So minus infinity to 0. Anyhow, at minus infinity always open. At 0 open or close? Here 0 satisfied. So right here close. Union 6 fails. So open 6 to infinity. That is the answer for this question. You check it. Minus infinity to closed 0. Open 6 to infinity. So this option correct. Understood? Right. Now let us coming to next one more question. See here, number of integral values of a. Integral means integers. How many integers are there for a? Okay, such that what is that condition? This equation has integral roots. Equation has integral root. So quadratic equation has integral roots. Condition, observe that one. Then find a. Understood? First to find a. How many values of a exist? You check it so that we can easily identify the terms. Clear? Okay. Now procedure, you observe this one. Here equation has integral roots, but we don't know those roots. Is it correct or not? Because we don't know a value. If you know that a value, we can find out root. Right. So for our convenience, I am assuming alpha comma beta be the alpha comma beta root. Okay. Here alpha and beta are what? Integral roots. So alpha and beta are integers. Fine. Okay. Now sum of the roots. You observe that one. Sum of the roots formula is what? Actually minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. Correct na? Okay. Minus x coefficient how much? A. By x square coefficient. X square coefficient is anyhow 1 only. Fine. Next, product of the roots. Product of the roots formula is what? Constant by x square coefficient. Here constant is a plus 1 by 1. So fine. Okay. Here procedure is what? Actually we want a value. See, we want a means if you know that alpha and beta values. If you know that alpha and beta, we can easily find out here. Is it correct or not? Right. So our target is what? You have to find alpha and beta values. Right. How to find alpha beta? Solve these two equations. Solve two equations. Understood? So that implies, just you see here, using this equation, alpha beta is equal to a. But using this equation, a value how much? Minus of alpha beta. Multiply both sides with minus sign. So minus of alpha plus beta plus 1. Correct or not? Right. Minus, shift this side, it becomes what? Plus. So alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equal to 1. Here in terms of alpha beta only one equation. Correct na? Right. So procedure, just you see here, for our convenience, adding both sides with 1. Adding both sides with 1. Why we are adding both sides with 1? Just you see here, next step you can understood easily. So 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So that implies first 2 as it is I am writing 1 plus alpha. In these two, common term is what? Beta. Remaining is what? 1 plus alpha is equal to what? 2. Now you observe this one. Here in these two, beta common. Here how much we got? 1 plus alpha. 1 plus alpha. But actually only alpha is there here. Correct na? 1 plus alpha we want. That is why I am adding both sides with 1. Understood? Right. So total common term is what? 1 plus alpha into remaining will be 1 plus beta. Right. Is equal to what? 2. See here, product of two elements is equal to 2. Anyhow 2 is prime number. Prime numbers means factors will be what? 1 and itself. Correct na? Right. So possibility is, for this part only one equation. So at that time you go for verification process. Okay. Let us see next slide. What about equation? 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta is equal to what? 2. Okay. Possibility. Suppose here factors 2, 1 and itself because prime number. Fine. So put 1 plus alpha is equal to 1. 1 plus alpha is equal to 1. Automatically 1 plus beta will be what? 2. Correct na? Then only 1 into 2, 2. Right. So implies, what about alpha beta? Here 1, 1 cancel. Alpha is 0. What about beta? Beta is 1. Okay. Right. Next possibility. Suppose volta I am taking. 1 plus alpha is equal to 2. Automatically 1 plus beta will be what? 1. Is it correct or not? Possibilities. Right. Using this alpha is what? Plus 1, shift this side. 2 minus 1, 1. Here both sides 1 cancel. So beta is 0. Fine. Is there any other possibility? Just you think about that one. Is there any other possibility? Yes, it is there. What about possibility? Now you see. Suppose if you are taking 1 plus alpha is equal to minus 1, 1 plus beta is equal to minus 2. Then equation satisfies or not? Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 satisfies. Correct. So implies alpha will be what here? Alpha is equal to plus 1, shift this side, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Here beta will be what? Minus plus 1, it becomes minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Again here one more possibility. Ulta write down. Suppose if 1 plus alpha is equal to minus 2, 1 plus beta will be minus 1. Correct or not? Then alpha beta values. Alpha is equal to minus 2, sorry, minus 3. Beta is equal to minus 2. Is it correct or not? Right. Actually, we want not alpha beta. We want A. Right? See here. Alpha plus beta is minus A. Right. Possibilities you see. Minus A is equal to alpha plus beta. Suppose if you are taking this first case, alpha plus beta is what? 1. Okay. Minus A is equal to 1. Right. Is it correct or not? Minus A is equal to 1. A value is what? Minus 1. A value is minus 1. If you are taking this one, again it gives same answer. Fine. Suppose if you are taking this set, minus A is equal to minus 5. Automatically A value will be what? 5. Both are integers or not? Integer. How many integers we got? 2 integers. So here actual question, number of integral values. So total 2 integers. Second option correct. Understood? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. Quadratic. The number of integers n. Here also calculate what? Number of integers n such that the quadratic equation has rational roots. Question understood? Quadratic equation has rational roots. Just you observe this one. First actually calculate what? N value. Using this equation, equation, just you observe this one. N value must be not equal to 0. Is it correct or not? Because if n is equal to 0, it is not quadratic equation. Right? So n not equal to 0. Right? Generally, roots of the equation are real and distinct, or real and equal, rational and unequal. These type of words are there using here. These type of words are there in case of discriminant concept. Correct or not? So first you find out discriminant. What is the formula for discriminant? See here, I am writing. Discriminant formula is what? B square. B means what? X coefficient whole square. Right? So x coefficient n plus 1. So n plus 1 whole square. B square minus 4 into x square coefficient n into constant term n plus 2. Okay? Right. So that is equal to simplification. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula expansion you see, n square plus 1 plus 2n. Here minus 4n into n, minus 4n square. Minus 4n into 2, minus 8n. Okay. So that is equal to simplification, n square minus 4n square. Answer is minus 3n square. Okay. plus 2n minus 8n. Answer is minus 6n plus 1. Correct or not? Fine. Next, here I am taking 3 common. I am taking 3 common. Automatic answer will be what here? First 2 minus 3 common. Okay, better. N square plus 2n. First 2 only. This plus 1 as it is. Means just simply I am solving this question by using completing the square only. So that is equal to minus 3 times. This can be written as n plus 1 whole square minus 1. Correct or not? Right. Expand this bracket. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 minus 3 times n plus 1 whole square. Answer for what? Discriminant. Okay. Right. Just you see here. Here on one side I am writing discriminant is equal to what? 4 minus 3 times n plus 1 whole square. Correct or not? Right. Now let us coming to our quadratic properties. When we say that roots are rational, discriminant must be perfect square. Correct? Discriminant greater than 0 and it must be perfect square. Perfect square means what? It is in the form of some x square. Perfect square. X square format. Understood? Right. What are the possibilities here? X square form means, suppose actually we want n value, right? Suppose for example if this value is equal to 0, that is if n plus 1 is equal to 0, n plus 1 equal to 0 means what about d value here? D is 4. 4 is perfect square or not? Perfect square. So perfect square means roots are what? Rational. Fine. So here n is equal to what? Minus 1. One possibility. Right? Is there any other possibility? You identify it. Suppose if n plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 if you are taking, then what will happen? D is equal to 4 minus 3. But 4 minus 3 is what? 1. 1 also a perfect square. Fine. So simplification here, n plus 1 whole square is 1. Then n plus 1 will be plus or minus 1. Correct? So that implies n is equal to what? 1 plus or minus 1. Implies n is equal to, if you are taking plus sign, 1 plus 1, 2. If you are taking minus sign, 0. But starting only I told n is equal to 0, not possible. Okay. Is there any other possibility apart from these two? No. So in this case 1 value, in this case 1 value. So total how many values? 2 values. So third option correct. Understood? Right. Let us coming to next, sequence and series problems. Okay, one important topic, and in this topic especially AP GP problems are very important in JEE mains point of view. Okay, fine. Here you observe this one. The real numbers x1, x2, x3 satisfying this equation. Okay, this is what? Third degree equation. So third degree equation, how many roots? 3 roots. What are those roots here? Condition x1, x2, x3. And here condition, these 3 are in AP. Then find the intervals in which beta and gamma lie. Understood question? First of all, here sequence and series and theory of equations combined question, this one. Fine. Okay. Just you see one by one, step by step. What about that first condition here? x1, x2, x3 are in AP. Okay, since x1, x2, x3 are in AP. Fine. Right. According to AP concept, if A, B, C are in AP, then formula is what? 2 times middle term is equal to sum of first and last. Correct or not? So that is 2x2 is equal to x1 plus x3. Fine. Right. This is the given condition, one equation. Now coming to theory of equations. Here x1, x2, x3 are the roots of this equation. Correct or not? Right. So sum of the roots x1 plus x2 plus x3. Sum of the roots formula is what? Sum of the roots formula is actually minus b by a. Minus, actually suppose given equation is there like this: ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. 3 roots. Then sum of the roots formula will be minus b by a. So minus b means what? X square coefficient. Here x square coefficient minus 1 by x cube coefficient, that is 1. So that is equal to what? Plus 1. Right? Using this relation, you observe this one. x1 plus x3. x1 plus x3 value is what? 2x2. So I am writing 2x2 plus already one more x2 is there, is equal to what? 1. Implies 3x2 is equal to 1. Implies x2 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. One root of this equation is what? 1 by 3. But here not calculate roots. Here calculate what? Beta and gamma. Fine. In general, whatever it may be equation, roots of the equation is given while solving questions. Immediately write sum and product of the roots. Sum and product of the roots. Okay. Fine. Now next, theory of third degree equation properties. What about property of sum of products of two roots taken at a time? That is, let us see, x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x3 x1 x3 x1 is equal to what? Okay, that is equal to here plus minus. Okay, so first formula sum of the roots we wrote. Fine. Next, second formula sum of products of two roots taken at a time. That formula will be what? C by a. Formula is C by a. C means x coefficient. Here x coefficient beta. Beta by 1. So answer is beta. Okay. Anyhow, your question is what? Find the interval in which beta lies. If you are simplifying this one, then we can get beta value. Clear? Right. Implies we know that x2 value, but we don't know about x1 and x3. According to this AP concept, here x1 is equal to what? X1 in general, any term in AP is equal to preceding term plus common difference. Correct or not? Let us say, here you observe this one. x2 can be written as what? Preceding term, that is x1 plus common difference. I am taking common difference, say for example D. Using this relation, x1 how much? Plus d, shift this side, x2 minus d. Okay. Then coming to this one, x3. x3 is equal to preceding term x2 plus common difference d. Clear? Now substitute x1. x1 is what? x2 minus d. But x2 is what? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 minus d into x2. x2 is 1 by 3 plus x2 1 by 3. x3 means x2 plus d. x2 means what? x2 means 1 by 3. x3 means x2 plus d. x2 is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus d plus x3 x1. x3 is x2 plus d, that is 1 by 2 plus d into x1. x1 means 1 by 3, not 1 by 2, sorry. 1 by 3 minus d is equal to what? Beta. Okay, simplification you see here. In these two, common term is what? 1 by 3. Na? Let us see next slide. Beta is equal to 1 by 3. I am taking common. Remaining value will be what? 1 by 3 minus d plus 1 by 3 plus d. Is it correct or not? You check it if you want. 1 by 3 minus d, 1 by 3 plus d remaining. Fine. Here you see it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula is what? A square minus b square. Correct now? So 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 9. 1 by 9 minus d square. Okay. So here plus d minus d cancel. So implies beta is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 minus d square. Minus d square, shift this side, plus d square is equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9, 2 by 9. 2 by 9 minus beta. Correct now? So here d square value how much we got? 2 by 9 minus beta. In general, square of any value always greater than or equal to 0. Is it correct or not? Square of any value always greater than or equal to 0. Using this relation, minus beta, shift this side. 2 by 9 greater than or equal to beta. Reverse write beta less than or equal to 2 by 9. Finished. Beta part completed. Okay. In the same way, next you calculate what? Gamma. Gamma means what? You see here. Next I am using last formula, product of all the roots. Product of all the roots formula is what here? Minus d by a. D means what? Gamma. So minus gamma. Understood? Minus gamma implies minus gamma is equal to x1. x1 means what? 1 by 3 minus d. Is it correct or not? Right. x2 is 1 by 3. x3 is 1 by 3 plus d. Same process. So minus gamma is equal to 1 by 3 into a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 1 by 9 minus d square. Okay. So simplification here. Okay. Here I am writing. You observe this one. Minus gamma is equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by 3, 1 by 27, and this into this, minus 1 by 3 d square, minus shift this side, 1 by 3 d square, okay, 1 by 3 d square is equal to 1 by 27 minus it becomes plus gamma. In general, 1 by 3 d square also greater than or equal to 0 implies gamma greater than or equal to plus 1 by 27, it becomes minus 1 by 27. That is the answer for this question. Clear? So little bit difficult question because interrelated AP as well as theory of equations concept. Clear? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. Very easy question. For any x comma y belongs to R and xy greater than 0 means positive, then minimum value of this expression is dash. In general, entire 11th and 12th topic, minimum or maximum questions are there. What are that methods? First method, using sequence and series concept, that is AM greater than or equal to GM, which is greater than or equal to harmonic mean, HM. Second method, application of derivatives maximum minima concept is there. Using that method also we can find out few questions, and few questions minimum, suppose quadratic equations using completing the square concept. In trigonometry, using some sine cos range formulas, then also we can find out minimum. Okay, depends upon the question, right? Let us coming to our concept here, sequence and series. So here I am using AM GM inequality. Understood? Right. What is AM? What is the formula for AM? AM means arithmetic mean. GM means geometric mean. Okay. First formula I am writing. After that we will see this substitution. Suppose three numbers are there. A, B, C. Then arithmetic mean formula. In general, arithmetic mean means average. How to calculate average of your marks? Sum of all subjects marks by number of subjects. Correct? Na? So that is A plus B plus C by 3. Geometric mean. Here how many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So geometric mean formula will be cube root of 3 values cube root, n values nth root. Okay, cube root of product, that is A, B, C. Here why I am taking especially AM, GM only? In question plus is there in AM, and if you are taking product then X, Y will be cancelled. That is why I am taking geometric mean. Clear? Right. Now I am using this AM GM concept. Anyhow, here this is A, first term, this is B, this is C. Okay. What about AM formula? A plus B plus C by 3. So that is 2x by y cube plus A plus B, B means x cube y by 3 plus C means 4y square by 9x power 4. A plus B plus C by 3, which is greater than or equal to cube root of product, that is 2x by y cube into x cube y by 3 into 4y square by 9x power 4. Okay, simplification. Now you observe this one. X into x cube, x power 4. So x power 4 part cancel. Y into y square, y cube. So y cube part also cancel. Understood? Fine. Next 3 shift this side. Then 2x by y cube plus x cube y by 3 plus 4y square by 9x power 4, which is greater than or equal to 3 times cube root. So power 1 by 3 I am writing here. The remaining you observe that one, 2 4s are 8 by 3 9s are 27. 8 by 27 power 1 by 3. So which is greater than or equal to 3 times. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 3 cancel. So 2. 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 cancel. So by 3. 3 cancel. 2. So which is greater than or equal to 2. So minimum value of given expression is 2 answer. Understood? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. The sum of infinite series, one important model. Sum of infinite series is dash. That is our question. Okay. Right. So procedure, let us say I am assuming given problem S. S is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square into 1 by 3 square plus so on infinity. So in general, sum of infinite number of terms in sequence and series, sum of infinite number of terms, that word is there in GP. Next AGP also is there. First of all, you check it, it is in GP. How to identify GP? If ratios same, then it is in GP. But given question not in GP, so it fails. It is in AGP. No, it is not in AGP also. Then how to simplify this one? Okay, if given problem is in AGP, then using AGP formula we can find out this sum. If given question is in GP, then also we can find out. But here both are fails. Then how to simplify this one? Right? Now adjustment, you observe this one. Using some adjustments, you reduce given question into either GP or AGP format. After that, apply those formulas, problem is over. Method understood? Right. What is that adjustment? That is very important point. That adjustment, if you know that one, problem is very easy. What is that adjustment? Just you see here, S is equal to what I am doing is multiply divide with 1 minus 1 by 2. Multiply divide with 1 minus 1 by 2. Why I am doing this only? Just you see here. Or otherwise multiplying both sides with 1 minus 1 by 2. Any of both are same. Okay, let us say multiplying both sides with 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so that implies 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1. Fine. Plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus here 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square into 1 by 3 square plus so on. Why I am taking especially Here you see, if you are taking 1 minus 1 by 2, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Formula is there. Here a minus b into a plus ab plus b square form is there. Then also formula is there. Formula is there or not? Right. That is why I am doing some adjustment like this. Now any of 1 minus 1 by 2 value is what? 1 by 2. So implies 1 by 2 into s, that is s by 2. So that is equal to what here? 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Here plus, it is in the form of what? A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So 1 minus 1 by 2 square into 1 by 3. Is it correct or not? Fine. Plus here a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Formula for what? A cube minus b cube. So that implies a cube 1 cube 1 minus b cube 1 by 2 cube into 1 by 3 square plus so on. Understood? Next one order, s by 2 is equal to, see, first terms I am writing in one bracket, second terms in another bracket. Let us see here, first term 1. Here first term 1 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Fine. Here first term 1 into 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square. And so on. Okay. Right. Next second terms. I am taking minus 1 by 2 common for our convenience. Minus 1 by 2 common. Remain how much left here? 1. Here minus 1 by 2 common here. Remaining one more time left. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 6. Here minus 1 by 2 taking common. Remaining 2 times left. So 1 by 2 square into 1 by 3 square, that is 1 by 6 square plus so on. Why I wrote like this, you see, second term by first term 1 by 3, third term by second term 1 by 3. Ratios same. If ratios same, it is in GP. That is why I wrote like this. Understood? Right. Now easy problem. In GP, sum of infinite terms formula is what? Here I am writing S infinity. Formula is A by 1 minus R. What is A? First term. What is R? Common ratio. Clear? So S by 2 is equal to A means 1. A by 1 minus R. Common ratio 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 times, here also same. A means first term 1 by 1 minus R, common ratio 1 by 6. Okay, simplification. S by 2 is equal to, okay, see here. Here LCM is 3, fraction reverse. So directly I am writing 3 by 3 minus 1, 2. So 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 times, okay, see, here LCM 6, fraction reverse, so 6 minus 1, 5, so 6 by 5, 6 by 5, here 2 1s are, 2 3s are, so now simplification easy. S by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 5. Now LCM is what? LCM is 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 2 3s are 6. So S by 2 is equal to, here I think both sides cancellation possible. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So S is equal to 15 minus 6, 9. 9 by 5. S is equal to how much? 9 by 5. That is the answer for given question. So 9 by 5. Second option correct. Understood? Right. So in next class, I will explain with some other topic. Thank you.